Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about the second and third new products of VS Factory. The first new product is the Seamasters Summer Blue. I talked about it in the previous video. You can check the previous video. These two are also new color schemes in this batch. It's a strap. The previous batch was the steel strap version, and this batch is the tape version. This is the Tiffany blue tape, which is different from the regular one. There was also a blue one before. The dials of the two are different. This one is gradient ice blue, which has a bit of a icy blue feel. This one is dark blue, and the tape is also dark blue. This is a new tape. Is Tiffany blue. Currently, only the Seamaster is making. Only Heimer is making it. 4 other models have not released tapes in this color scheme. So this style looks quite novel. The color is quite nice. It's a new color scheme. It looks a little more unique. Let's take a look at the World Stone. I've talked about it in previous videos, so you can go back and watch the previous video. This dial also has a gradient effect. It's a gradient of beetle nut color. Its dial is still quite shiny, VS orange. As for these functions, I've talked about it before. You can check out the previous video because there are too many functions to talk about. It represents the time of 24 countries. Most importantly, there is a tape in this color. Tiffany blue looks more novel. This whole thing is made of pure tape. It's not made of canvas or leather because the pattern on it looks like leather and the back looks like glue. In fact, it is all made of rubber. VS Factory. The tape produced by the VS Factory is well made. It's very soft. And here is the same. There is also a head grain. The buckle is polished. And it's also A-style. It's a solid bottom anniversary model with relief. The relief is very three-dimensional. The engravings are also deep and clear. And the 2 logos on the back are also there. Let's take a look at this one. This is the Dreamy series. Their luminous fillings are all plated with this ice blue, including the calendar. The same goes for the World Stone. The dial of this one is a pure ice blue. So the color it presents will be different. When you look at it diagonally, the gradient ice blue, the effect will be more obvious because the World Stone in the middle is pure blue, so it doesn't look so obvious. This one is more obvious. Different lighting will present a different effect. And color changes. It also has radial lines. The video can't really show the radial lines. VS Factory's dial is really well made and shiny. The color is very nice. And the luminous filling, including the polishing of the strip nails, pointer polishing, and the wire drawing are all done. It's very beautiful. The workmanship doesn't need much explanation. VS Factory's Seamaster is well made. This one is also a solid bottom. The middle top models are all sealed. The movement is still the integrated one. The way to adjust the time is the same as the round one, which is the same as the original. Other factories have different ways to adjust the time. If it only adjusts the calendar, it's not from VS. So how can we tell if it's from VS Factory? We can tell by adjusting the time. Rotate the crown backward. Pull out the first gear to adjust the calendar through the hour hand. Turn it twice to adjust the calendar. Then you can also reverse the texture. For example, if we have adjusted it, we can adjust it backwards. The texture will be adjusted back. Then pull it out again. It's to adjust the minute hand. Then press the crown in and rotate it upward. If you press and rotate it up, the crown will be locked. It can also be taken to swim. So we must lock the crown so that it won't get water or dust. And the same goes for, there are steel strap models and a Tiffany blue strap. These 2 color schemes are quite nice. The main thing is the strap. This kind of strap looks quite novel. Let's show you the effect of wearing them. But I still prefer the World Stone, because its dial looks more unique. And the middle continent and region also has a 3-dimensional effect. When you look at it diagonally, it has a 3-dimensional effect. Both are nice. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.